Alright guys, I don't know how good y'all can hear me, but I gotta be kinda quiet. My buddy's literally sleeping a few feet away from me, but we're on OffRoadOutlaws. I just downloaded it, and we're gonna try out some stuff. There was one I wanted to try. It was just like I was on it for a second, just trying out the controls and all that. Oh, here it is. Yeah. We're gonna do a little test run to see how quick the truck is. And, we're gonna just see how quick we can get it, how quick of a run we can get. And then we're gonna upgrade it with the little bit of money I have to, see how much faster we can go. Cause this is like a drag map. This truck, I ain't gonna lie, the audio in this sounds really good. The audio sounds really good. We're just gonna do a quick little test run here and see how fast of a time I can get. Okay, that was 21 seconds. Now, what we're going to do now, we're going to put it in four-wheel drive and see if that helps any. We're going to lock the diff. We're going to see if that just makes any difference. Alright, here we are. Alright, let's try this one, see if we can get a better time by just being in full drive and having our diff locked. Okay, that made no difference. It was like 0.3 seconds slower actually. So now we're going to do some upgrades to it and see what we can do from there. Alright guys, we're at the upgrade area and I got $7,000 and $7,208. So we can't really do too much with that. But we're going to do some stuff. I want to put a blower on it. I don't want to do that. I don't want to have it cut out the hood just yet. But we're just going to upgrade a few little things that can help it. Just a few little odds and ends. And we'll customize it too. I mean, it looks pretty cool, but what can we do to it? Oh, no, I don't want to do that. Okay, I can't afford none of this. So we're just going to go, I can upgrade the engine one more time, I think. So I'll upgrade the engine real quick one more time. And now we'll see how much faster we are. Alright guys, we're here. I got NOS. I got some upgrades and we're just going to see how things go. I don't know if I need to have them locked. I'll just do the rear. I'll just walk the rear. But we're going to try this here. See how much faster we are. Alright. Alright. So that got us to be 3 seconds quicker. Okay. Now, let me exit real quick and see if there's anything else I can do. Okay guys, I decided since I have no money, I'm not going to be able to do anything else to it, but we took off 3 seconds of our time, and which is not terrible, but we can definitely make it faster, but I'm definitely going to need to get some more money first. But this is just a little short video of Off-Road Outlaws, and this is going to be the end, and I hope to see you again in the next one. If you enjoyed, maybe like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.